George meets our two Brew Masters Business Butlers, Silver and Gold, and says, "Every business or route that I look at is not what they say it is, or the numbers never prove out, or there's a lot more time involved than the 35 hours a week the ad said." Well, sir, buying a microbrewery is much simpler, less complicated, and less expensive than many routes, and potentially will net you more money and satisfaction. Wow, that's amazing. This would be my first time buying or owning a business. I don't know what to do. Who will help me? Relax, George. My partner Gold and I are part of the Brew Masters Business Butler Concierge Service. We are business valets that take care of everything you request, depending on which package you choose. For instance, our bronze package includes the microbrewery equipment, installation, and complete training. Sign the purchase agreement, make a half or 50% deposit, and you're fully operational in 90 to 100 days. What do you do that's so different from everyone else? We take the time to thoroughly understand the purchaser's complete vision of what they are looking to create for their customer experience. We create a strong foundation, build a customized, turnkey end-to-end solution to capture the desired result, which is the most enjoyable customer experience. Our menu of options, choices, and selections are the blueprint for making our solutions extraordinary and unparalleled in the industry. Wow, that sounds so much easier and simple. Total Beverage Management Solutions is a unique, exclusive, end-to-end customizable and made-to-order menu of options, choices, selections, networks, possibilities, and opportunities that most microbrewery or beverage companies never offer. We understand that most purchasers want to offer a desirable product, as well as offering services, facilities, amenities, and entertainment that will keep their customers engaged and involved for a longer period of time, which translates into a more enjoyable customer experience and a larger profit. Okay, so you offer 3 packages, right? Yes. 1. The bronze package includes microbrewery equipment, installation, and training, no frills. The silver package gives you access to our network of solution professionals and professional companies for any option you want from our menu to plan and oversee yourself. 3. The gold package activates our Brew Masters Business Butler, who will be at your disposal. He will oversee that the work is finished in a timely, professional, and skilled manner. Sounds like I'll need the gold package. So what do I need to do first? Well, Gold will assist you with incorporating your company, help you with city, county, and/or state liquor license applications, business licensing requirements, health department requirements, while I assist you with filing the state authorization for your company to conduct business within that state. Obtain your employer identification number with the IRS so you can legally do business. You made that seem so effortless. I need a good location to open my microbrewery. Our national real estate company can help you find a property to buy or rent, depending on your preference. I'm also going to need someone to build out an actual wooden bar inside that location. No problem, George. Our general contractor can arrange for the right man for the job. Do you think I should serve food? Well, if you decide you want to serve food, Total Beverage can provide you with a kitchen equipment supplier, food supplier, and a highly rated restaurant and bar equipment supplier. So what else does Total Beverage provide? Total Beverage has a menu describing additional options and solutions that are being offered. The menu offers national liquor suppliers, national bar, restaurant kitchen equipment suppliers, national non-food suppliers, theme suppliers, nostalgia, sports, and more, and pub memorabilia. We also offer pool tables, dartboards, golf putting or driving centers, and bar stools and table entertainment systems. We will also provide national office suppliers, attorneys, CPAs, webmasters, advertising firms, personnel, temporary and permanent employees, contractors, insurance, banks, and financial institutions. Is that all? Oh, I did forget one thing, our management services. If you want Total Beverage to manage your microbrewery, just ask. So how much is all of this going to cost? George, you were looking at buying a bread route, weren't you? Yes, I was looking at several routes and businesses. Well, George, did you know that you can own microbrewery for the price of a bread route? Consider buying a microbrewery. Like most routes, it does not require you to work 12-hour minimum every day, weekends, sick days, and holidays. How many microbreweries have you created? Our managing partner has created over 75 microbreweries overseas and is bringing his expertise and skills to the US. For example, he's opened several microbreweries for JW Marriott hotels. How much is the bronze package? Many of our microbrewery parts are manufactured in several different countries, including the USA, Europe and Germany, Eastern Asia, Scandinavia, which includes Norwegian, Swedish, Danish, Finnish, and Icelandic manufacturers, and they all meet UL standards for safety. If you had your equipment manufactured in Eastern Asia, the price would be $189,995. If you had your equipment manufactured in the USA or Europe or Germany, who specializes in high-end beer manufacturing equipment, your costs would be higher and timelines would be longer. Both the USA and Germany are backlogged with orders, and in some cases, they can deliver a prepaid order for at least a minimum of 1 year from date of deposit.
So how long will it take to be delivered and installed?
90 to 100 days.
How much will I need to place the order?
A deposit of 1/2 or 50% of the total cost.
When will I have to pay the balance of the 50% owed?
Upon delivery of the equipment and prior to the installation.
How much more is the gold package than the bronze package?
Only $10,000 for the overseeing and supervision of all your choices from the menu of options. Total cost is $199,995, which includes the Brew Masters Business Butler, equipment, installation, and training.
How do the other contractors and professional solution companies charge for their services?
Any service menu option, including licenses and theme supplies, will result in a separate charge to the purchaser for the product and/or services selected. We offer the ability to give the purchaser the data to coordinate the work themselves, Silver Package, or we will do it for you as part of our Concierge Suite, Gold Package, through our Business Butler and network of service providers. In most cases, the microbrewery will be installed first.
I have a friend who does home brewing and has expressed an interest in buying a microbrewery himself, but says he doesn't need the installation and training. What should I tell him?
For the true beer brewing aficionado, we will send the microbrewery equipment without installation and training for $185,000.
Sounds to me like you've thought of every possible option that I would need.
That's why Total Beverage Management Solutions, LLC, is the freshest, state-of-the-art, one-stop shop of the total beverage buying experience. This one-of-a-kind business purchasing opportunity is the most exciting option to hit the marketplace ever. Check us out at www.tbmicrobrewery.com or call our office toll-free in the USA and Canada at 1-833-870-BREW. That's 1-833-870-2739.